welcome back to another craft. So, in this craft, it's a medieval craft, because later on we will joust with swords.
Not spaghetti?
Spaghettis instead of swords, yes. But we'll joust still. But to protect ourselves, we need to make a shield. So, we're gonna make shields out of cardboard. So you need some cardboard, thick or thin cardboard. Thick cardboard is just harder to cut. So, who wants cardboard? I want cardboard, please!
I want cardboard, please!
Here you go!
Thank you.
I want cardboard, please.
Let me give you a nice one. I like this one. Here you go.
Thank you.
So, we can make a big shield or a small shield. You choose. But first, what we're going to do... Goodbye. What we're going to do is we're going to draw the shape of our shield. So, everyone, can I have a marker, please?
Can I have a marker, please?
Yes, what color?
Brown.
A brown marker.
A brown marker.
There you go.
Can I have a blue marker, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Thank you.
A dark blue or light
A
blue?
dark blue, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, I'm gonna make a smaller shield. You can make a big shield if you want. It's up to you. Let's go. Like this, pointy at the end. Or you can make a Viking shield, like a round one, or a fancy one like Emily.
Yes, okay.
Ooh. Someone is really thinking about this. Okay, fancy, simple, and we'll see. We are done with this, so we can ask for scissors.
Can I have scissors, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Can I have scissors, please?
No, you're not done. Oh, now you're done.
Okay,
There you go.
thank you.
Okay, let's cut your shields. Okay. Okay, our shields have been cut. Look at this. Nice, nice. Meanwhile, I have cut handles. So, what we're going to do now is attach these simple pieces of cardboard at the back of the shield using tape. So we'll have a flat end on one side and another flat end here. So we can attach using tape and we'll be able to take the shields like this. So, let me show you how to do that. Doesn't need to be that long. You want it this way? Okay. Well, this is going to require not a lot of tape, but you do want to have more than just one piece of tape. It's not going to hold otherwise. You want to place them at different angles also. Kind of like this. Like this. Okay. And where you have a shield. And you can hold your shield. Okay. Well, you can do the handles right now, or you can do the handles after you have decorated your shield. Now, we're going to decorate them because we have worked on our animals. What is our family animal? Remember? You said your family animal was the
A tiger.
The tiger.
A tiger.
Because the tiger is
Strong.
yes.
Okay.
And you said your animal was the
A bird? Eagle?
yeah, the eagle, because the eagle is
Fast.
fast and you are fast. So you're gonna draw a tiger and you're gonna draw an eagle, okay?
Got it.
You have 10 seconds. No, of course not. So go guys, go. Draw an eagle, draw a tiger. Nice. Well, let's see what we have. Show us your tiger.
My tiger.
Show us your eagle. So, we will need these shields when we joust. And we'll say, my family animal is a tiger. I am strong.
My family animal is the tiger. I am strong.
My family animal is the eagle. I am fast.
Ooh, nice. Okay, and take a look at another tutorial, spaghetti jousting. You'll see. It goes along with this. Bye, everybody. Bye.